Is your switch not operating properly? Let's fix that. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'll show you how to replace the switch module in your Little Giant Pit+Plus. The Pit+Plus is designed to provide separate and easy access to the switch module for quick maintenance or replacement. In the event your ECM switch or your mechanical float switch is not operating properly, you may need to inspect or replace it. Today, I'll show you the steps to disassemble and reassemble a switch module so you can get your pumping system back to normal operation. Disconnect the pump and switch from the power supply. Remove the cord grommet from the switch access cover. Separate the pump power cord from the grommet. Remove the switch module from the basin by unscrewing all 6 bolts. Feed the pump cord through the cord grommet opening until the switch module is free. Thread the pump cord through the cord grommet opening of the replacement switch module. Install the new switch module to the basin. Secure with 6 bolts. The switch module is directional to keep proper clearances and prevent hang-ups. The screw holes only line up in one position, so you may need to rotate the module. Insert the pump cords in the cord grommet. Install the cord grommet into the switch module. If you're using an alarm float, remove any slack that could interfere with its operation. If your ECM switch or mechanical float isn't operating as it should, follow these simple steps to replace your switch. To learn more, visit Franklin Tech online and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. Your feedback will help us continue to bring great content. Thanks for watching.